So as I've been walking around, I've been talking to different manufacturers and suppliers of resin flooring systems, and what I was asking, what I was trying to figure out was what's the American market really made up of? You know, where is the most common use? And if I take the sort of industrial side out of it, then when it comes to mainstream flooring, it is residential, and it is largely to do with flake flooring in garages, patios, walkways, and that sort of thing, which is, you know, right up the same alley as what Australia is doing. What was interesting in the discussion too was that there's definitely become an emphasis around faster cure, faster turnaround, one-day coatings and so forth. But you could see how that desire for one-day coatings was totally geared towards the installation and trying to support just the installer. There wasn't the focus, it's almost like the focus was lost on the customer, the consumer. So when I sit there and I think about the market and trying to make resin flooring mainstream, I realise that as suppliers and installers and so forth, we need to be focused more on how do we support the client, the end user. What's the best system for the end user? Because until we have that focus, we'll get distracted and derailed from delivering something that is ever growing, ever expanding, and builds the reputation that we need to get into mainstream and stay in mainstream. So I think it was a fascinating insight, great feedback from a number of these US guys, and I thank them for their input. And I look forward to seeing what else we can drum out of this particular trip. As always, I'm ResinJack. Take care and keep smiling.